Welcome to another Scratch video. This time we're making a clicker game. So we click on it, as you guys know. We have a high score, a score, clicks. We're going to keep clicking. We're going to open the menu and we have many scores to click on. So like I'm keep clicking it. The high scores keep going up here until 100. There's a 100 score, so you can buy that because you got 100 score. So this one will add 10 every second. So this is about it. And now we're gonna make a new project to make the clicker game. So first, I'm not using this cat, so I'm gonna use another spray. I got it in someone else's project. So we go in custom. Delete all of them except for what I want. The ones I want. So I keep deleting until one less. I'm gonna name this noodle reverse card. So I'm gonna name this noodle reverse card. So when we select collect, we're gonna put this it's in my own spot. Name this one 33 and 3. So over here. Forever loop. Take it forever. If then, if touching mouse pointer. We're gonna first set size to 105. And if we left click, we're gonna set this to 100. And below the set size to 105, we're gonna give another if mouse down. We're gonna make a new variable called score for all sprites. First set score to 0, and the mouse down we're gonna change score by 1. So when we click it, we got a lot of score requests. So we're gonna go to control if maybe here, actually there. Inside mouse down, we're gonna wait until not mouse down. We're going to change size back to 100 and I think, yep. So let's start to click like normally. So you can click them. A score. Now we're gonna make the sound of the game. Go to sounds. I got my own here. I saw it as a project. So it's like this. Let's try reversing it. Maybe reverse it again. Okay, that's better. So I'm going back to the normal spot. So here, events. When we click forever loop, go to sounds, play sound, the fat rat backdrop until done. We're gonna make a new backdrop. I'm gonna make it blue sky too. So now you have the songs, you have the score, and you have a background. Also we're gonna make the high score. High score, we're gonna high score. Cloud variable. Click on that and then OK. We're gonna go to if. Go to operators, larger than, go to variables, score is larger than high score. We're going to set high score to score. We're going to bring the high score down to here. We're going to try the game again. So every time you click, because the high score is like that. So when you stop it, the high score is saving. And now we're going to try it again. If we click more than 7, it will set the high score more. And now it's 26. If I click it, and I'm going to try to click it more. So yes, and once more. So I'm gonna set high score back to 0. And I think this is the end of this episode. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.